Do you want to know how you can launch your project without all the chaos that you can find within a project or even maybe within your business? Is it chaotic in your business? Well, if it is, it's likely to be chaotic in your projects too. But you know, it's avoidable. So let me tell you in this video. So what is chaos? What are signs of chaos, especially in a project? Well, it is shifting priorities. Okay, 1 week you do something, the next week you talk to someone, oh, that's a good idea, I'm going to do that, you change, 2 weeks later you do again something new, you never finish anything. That's a sign of chaos. When you finally get down to do something, you keep on missing the deadlines. You say, oh, I'm going to do something by the end of next week. By the end of that next week, you even haven't begun to do it. That's chaos. Your team running around, not really knowing what to do, when to do, how to do it. That's chaos. Okay, and you may see some of it in your business and not just in your project, but unfortunately, I've seen that also happening in the day-to-day activities of businesses. So these are signs of chaos. But it doesn't have to be like that. Chaos is avoidable. How do you avoid chaos? In a way, the answer is easy. You plan. You prepare. There's nothing like preparation. I know it usually will be different when you hit the ground, when the plan comes crashing into reality. Yes, but planning will avoid the chaos. So this is really the only way of doing it. To plan properly, pragmatically, okay? If you keep on missing deadlines, it's that there is something fundamentally wrong in how you assess how long something will take. So if you keep on assessing this in the same way, your plan will be useless. So it's not just the plan, it's planning pragmatically to avoid the chaos. It's not about being complacent and say, wow, I think I can do it in 2 weeks, but let's say I'm going to do it in a month or a month and a half. No, it's not that. It's to be pragmatic, realistic. But basically, you plan. You plan what you're going to do, when you're going to do it, who is going to do it, what you need to do it in terms of, I don't know, material, equipment, money, specific people, so whatever you need. But you need to plan all that. And this planning phase will avoid chaos. Because yes, as I've said, of course, your plan will hit reality. And reality doesn't care about your plan in a way. So, of course, reality will be different from what is written down on your plan. But that's okay. But because you can compare the plan with reality, you can preempt things happening, and especially negative things happening. You can see if a deadline is coming close. You can see if you keep to your priority or you keep doing different things. You can feel how much better your team feels because they know what they're doing. They know when they're doing it. And so the key, of course, it's not just to plan one day and put the plan away, find it somewhere on a computer, not to look at it again. No, it's not that. What you do actually, and that is the power of the plan, is that with your plan, you have regular check-ins. Regular check-ins to see where you are, where you go. And that check-in with people, just talk through it. These check-ins keep the momentum because it allows you to see, hey, look, we've done all that since last time. Isn't that great? And look, oh, wow, look, we're going to do that now. And that's going to be great because once we've done that, we've really reached the turning point. So it keeps momentum going. And so this is how you launch a project without the chaos. Plan and check in on your plan. Keep the momentum of the project and look at things, preempt the bad things happening, and you will avoid chaos. Sounds simple, no? I know. Well, if you still have problem with that, leave a comment, leave a question. We can chat and I can explain more to you about launching without the chaos.